Safety guarantee. The StopFlex system guarantees safer plants, protecting both the operators and components. As a matter of fact, pressure systems can be very dangerous should the hose crimping rupture for any reason whatsoever. Use flexibility. The StopFlex system can be secured to 3 retention components. Nipples or fittings according to the DIN 2353 standards. SAE 3000 and SAE 6000 flanges according to the SAE J518 standards. Other system components. Assembly basics. If the StopFlex system is to work correctly, it is essential that it is correctly assembled. Indeed, if the assembly instructions shown on all the packaging are not followed to the letter, there is a real risk that the system will not work. After numerous tests on the inspection benches, we have uncovered the optimum combination of materials and assembly procedure to guarantee the utmost efficiency in the system. Phase 1. Disengagement. The StopFlex system isn't involved in the disengagement of the flexible hose, but, if used correctly, ensures that the hose is fully uncoupled from the bushing that retains it. During this phase, the flexible hose gains velocity and power because of the rise in pressure of the oil contained within it. Phase 2. Release venting of pressure. During this phase, the pressurized oil escapes from the flexible hose. The hose begins to expel the energy contained within it and gains considerable velocity, triggering a frightening whip effect, which is very dangerous to anyone or anything in its vicinity. Phase 3. Containment. Once the hose has been disengaged and the pressure released, the flexible hose can be contained. This is where the StopFlex system comes in. The stainless steel cable tautens and deforms while the plate cuts into the rubber of the hose, preventing the clamp, firmly attached to the hose, from disengaging. The hose clamp and plate start to deform in turn, elastically absorbing the force released from the trajectory of the flexible hose. This is a critical phase which takes just a few fractions of a second to complete, and yet it is in these seconds that the system materials and components, previously sized and tested, arrest the dangerous trajectory of the flexible hose. Slow motion demonstration. The video shows a slow motion disengagement simulation that was filmed in our test room. As we can see, thanks to our StopFlex system, the flexible hose is perfectly attached to the plant without causing any damage. Buy it online.